Welcome to Qredo. This tutorial will take you on an exciting journey through your workspace, profile, portfolios and wallets. Let's dive right in. Once you've registered on Qredo, you can create a workspace or accept the invitation to join an existing workspace. Workspaces are the central hub for collaboration and digital asset management. They can represent your project, organization, line of business, country, or any other purpose that suits your needs. Once your workspace is created, you can easily access your workspace and profile settings. Let's dive into your profile setting. These settings grant you complete control over your personal details and user preferences. Easily edit your profile name, email and password, access your user ID, review your workspaces, and stay updated on recent activities. In addition, you can customize your preferred fiat currency, auto logout, notifications, time zone, and theme settings. Now let's explore your workspace settings. Return to your workspace, navigate to the right corner, click on the three dots, and select View Settings. Workspace settings can only be viewed by the Workspace admin and the viewer role. Check your permissions if you can't see the View Settings button. These settings grant you full control over your workspace management. Easily edit your workspace name, access your workspace ID, and exciting features like API keys are coming soon. Review and monitor your external Exchange profile connected to your workspace. Review the default networks added to your workspace and add custom networks to your MetaMask institutional and Wallet Connect wallets. You can enable testnet assets for development purposes, keep your workspace out of Qredo staking, and enable whitelist addresses for Web3 wallets. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the workspace and profile settings, it's time to return to your workspace and create a portfolio. Click on Create Portfolio to begin portfolios. Provide a convenient way to manage digital assets. Portfolios can represent various groups of custody vehicles, such as different investment strategies, risk exposures, or teams within your organization. Choose a name that best embodies your business needs. Workspace admins can add or remove members to specific portfolios and assign roles, allowing you to provide access to your team on a need-to-know basis. Inside your portfolio, you can add vaults and Web3 wallets. Let's create a vault. Click on Create Vault to begin. Qredo Vaults offer a secure storage and management solution beyond traditional trading platforms. They are asset-specific Layer 2 wallets secured by on-chain governance, backed by distributed multi-party computation technology, and coupled with underlying Layer 1 asset mapping. You have the flexibility to apply transaction policies at both the portfolio level and the wallet level. Transactions manage the transaction approval flow within the specified portfolio or wallet. Now let's add a Web3 wallet. Click on Create Web3 Wallet to begin. Qredo Web3 wallets combine the best of both worlds, providing seamless access to DeFi and Web3 with institution-required security, operational efficiency, and compliance. They are Layer 1 wallets integrated with the finest Web3 gateways, including MetaMask Institutional, Wallet Connect, and Sui Wallet. Qredo Web3 wallets are secure by on-chain governance and backed by distributed multi-party computation technology. Congratulations! You've now learned about your workspace, profile, portfolios, vaults, and Web3 wallets within Qredo. Thank you for joining us on this journey.